question asks us to predict the synthesis of this carbonyl using the ozonolysis reaction. What we need to know is that the ozonolysis reaction is a reaction of an alkene to form a carbonyl. So our starting material will need to be some kind of alkene. What I notice here is that there's only one product shown. When the alkene breaks in the ozonolysis reaction, one half of the alkene will be one product and the other half of the alkene will be a second product. The fact that there's only one carbonyl product shown tells me that the alkene must have been symmetric. If I start by redrawing this molecule with an alkene instead of the carbonyl, this can't be the right answer. The bottom half would form this product, but the top half would form formaldehyde. It would be a second one-carbon carbonyl product. The fact that only one product is shown tells me that the other side of the alkene must be identical, and so this product must be, or so the starting material must be symmetric, and so is this alkene that when it breaks forms this product as the only product of ozonolysis.